Hi everyone, this is Katie with Hillsborough County Communications and Digital Media, here to give you a quick recap of what happened during the Emergency Policy Group meeting on July 16th. EPG members voted to extend a state of local emergency enacted in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. By Florida statute, a state of local emergency can only be in effect for 7 days unless rescinded. The declaration gives the county administrator and emergency managers the ability to quickly take certain actions to ensure the health, safety, and welfare of the community. It also provides a path for federal reimbursement of certain expenses. Data presented to EPG members included the following observations. There were 21,018 total positive cases in Hillsborough County as of July 13th, an increase of 30% from 1 week earlier. The rolling 14-day average of cases is 679 per day, an increase of 30%. The rolling 14-day daily positive rate is 16.16% based upon the daily test results. COVID-19 hospitalization admission rates have shown a general upward trend of admissions as reported by the Florida Department of Health. And an analysis of cases by zip code shows that community-based transmission of the virus is widespread. The next EPG meeting will be on Monday, July 20th at 1:30 p.m. You can watch that live on YouTube or on Facebook. Just search for Hillsborough FL. And we encourage you to visit hcflgov.net/staysafe for up-to-date information.